Yeah, we're back with Gabi and his Disney surprises.
Yay!
Yay! Let's see what you got here, Gabi. You got a Mickey Mouse hat. You got a tool chest. You got a Mickey Mouse hat. You got some goggles here. So you work. Yes. And then you got measuring stick. Oh, you got a hat. Some goggles. So when you do your, you saw your wood that thing be your eyes. And what else we got here, Gabi? Look at all the stuff we got. We got a saw here so you can cut the wood. Put all the instruments here. You got a hammer. Oh, you got a measuring. You got a hammer. You got two hammers. A wrench here. Wow. Whoa. You got look. Did you put these in here? You can drill. You got a drill. Drill. What else you got? Oh, this is for the big drill. This is for a bigger drill. We need a bigger drill for that. And here, look. You got a screwdriver, but here's your screws. Little screwdriver. Cool.
No, boy.
Cool, Gabi, look. Screwdriver.
No. They're junk. They're cool.
It's cool.
They're cool.
Look, goes right there, screwdriver. And you got another drill. Got two drills. And look, you got a belt, so you can put your all little instruments in here too.
Cool.
Yeah, put all your tools, the other instruments you got too, you can put them all in the belt. And you got the Mickey Mouse hat. I guess we have to put these Mickey Mouse things inside here. I don't know how to put it on. Hopefully you just snap it up. Okay, there goes one ear. Oops. Let's see if we can put the other one.
Okay.
There we go. So we got the Mickey Mouse hat. Gabriel, let's see how it looks on you. The hat. Oops. Oops, one ear ran off. Cool. And here, look. You got this too. So you can take out the screws. Cool. 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 And how does this work? Oh, so I can cut. Nice. All Mickey Mouse tools. Pretty cool. You got the wrench. You can tell Dada's not much of a tool guy. At least I know what a hammer is. And a hammer. Oh, cool. 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 So those are all the Mickey Mouse tools that Gabi received. You can take a look at it. And we'll start bringing more stuff that Gabi has out of his chest. We have so much toys as we bring them out after our move. We'll start showing them all. And please don't forget to subscribe so we can bring more toys to you. The more subscribers we have, the more toys we can start bringing to show everybody else. And please feel free to leave your comments. What's your favorite toy? What toys you want us to bring in the future? And everything else. And we'd like to meet you and we can respond with Gabi. Gabi's only 2 years old, but he's learning to talk and write as we go. Okay, so thanks all and have a good day. Bye. Say bye, Gabi.
Bye.
Bye.